Yeah, guys. Now we are going to discuss the next concept. Now we are going to discuss to the next concept is nothing but a background. Next concept is nothing but a background. Now, what is the use case of this one? Means it is used to it is used to apply the background for the elements. Now, what are the properties we are using? Means first one is the background color. First one is the background color. Now here what I need to give the values? I need to give the values here as a color name. Color name I need to give. Now, second one, background image. Second one, background image URL of. Inside this, I need to give the URL. If I want to apply the background image for that, we need to use this properties. We need to use this properties. Now, third one. Third one, whenever we apply the image, directly it will not suitable for the element. It might be height issues are there, might be sizes issues are there, everything is there. We need to properly align that one by using the background size. Background size. By using the background size, you can apply that one. Totally here we have a contain slash cover. Contain slash cover. Now we have a two values for the background size. One is the content, one is the cover. Now what is the mean by content and what do you mean by cover? Means cover means it will try to cover the entire element. Cover means it will try to cover the entire element. Content means how it will work. If the we have a totally two types of images are there, portrait image and the landscape image. Now for the portrait image, height should be more, width should be less. For the landscape image, width should be more, height should be less. Here how it will grow means the image will be start growing diagonally. The image will be start growing diagonally. It will start growing the image. If the width is more, then it will touches the first width and it will stop growing there only. Even though height is covered, not covered, it doesn't mean that one. If it is a height is more, for it is touches the length, it will stop growing there only. It will not care about the width. This is nothing but a contain. Remaining space will be image will be repeated again. The how much space is remaining, it might be width or it may be height. The image will be repeated again. To avoid the repetition of the image, we need to use the background repeat. We have a totally two values. Repeat slash no repeat. Repeat slash no repeat. Now after that, we need to set the positions also. Left, right, top, bottom like that. For that case, we have a background position. Background position. So here it is a shorthand property. Totally it is the combination of the two positions. Position X, position Y. Background position X, background position Y. Two values are there. If I want to use the background position X, we have the values of left slash right slash center. For the background position X ma that one. If it is a background position Y means center is a common for all of them. Apart from that, top slash bottom slash C. C means center. Top slash bottom slash center. If I want to do the position X means X axis. If I want to align the element on the X axis means I will use the left or right. For the Y axis means vertical axis, top and the bottom. Now, sixth one. Background color, image, size, background repeat, background position. Yeah. Sixth one, background attachment. Background attachment, here I have a scroll slash fixed. Scroll slash fixed. What do you mean by this one? Means generalize. If I have the we have a scroll one. When you're scrolling that one, it will be automatically moving. But if I want to fix the particular element there only, at that time we are using the background attachment fixed. The background image should be fixed there only. Center ma. Today's concept is new concept, Guru. Is it clear, ma? These all are the 6 properties to apply the background for us. Now here, one more thing you need to understand. If I want to apply any background properties, height and width is mandatory. Height and width is mandatory. Without height and width, you can't see the backgrounds. Already shared in the Google Classroom, Vardhan. You can check there. Yeah. Now, if I want to see any background properties, if I want to apply mandatory, you need to mention the height and width. Without height and width, it is not possible to apply the background properties. So, how can we apply those things? We will check now. Yeah, guys, here what I'm doing here, I'm creating the one section tag. For this section tag only, I will apply the background and everything. Link css dot slash index dot css. So I have one image that I will do remove background. Hello. Chapter. Class logo. Mhm. Use extensions, Ray. Why Ray by using CSS only everything do? We have a remove background remover is there, na? Try that one. Yeah, guys. Now for the section, I will apply here. I will target the section. I am giving the height as a 100 pixel. Okay. Again, width as a 100 pixel. I'm applying both of them. If I run this, is it visible for you? But it is taking, actually it is taking the height and width, but it's not visible. Why? Why it is not visible means just you are giving the height and width. You are specifically mentioning the border you are creating. No, right? We are not giving the background colors. How can you see? Everything is a transparent only, right? Due to that reason, it is not visible. So background color I'm applying as a red. Now you can check. It should be visible. That's why I'm telling if I want to check for the background, so mandatory you need to mention the width and heights. Then only it is visible. If you're not mentioning the height, is it visible? Huh? There is no height only. Or else inside that you need to provide any content. Then it will visible. Either you need to provide the content or else you need to provide the height. Anything is fine. Without that, you can't see the background properties. Is it clear, ma? Without that, you can't see the background properties. So I'm giving the height. Now, if I want to apply the background color for the element, now you can check here. Today's background class. Today's background class. Now you can check. Text is on the color. Background is changing. Is it clear, ma? Now, if I want to change the background color, means simply again I will write the background color. Blue I will write. Now, if I want to change the text of the color, so color white. Is it clear, ma? Now, if I want to apply the image for the background, if I want to apply the image for the background, so I will use the background image. I will use the background image URL you need to use. URL you need to use. After that, codes you need to give. So here I'm taking any image. Now you can check, guys. I'm taking this image, copy image address. So simply I'm pasting here. So simply I'm pasting here. SRJC. We will try different times, right? Where ma? Oh, here I'm using the width is 100 pixel only now. In that width only it will align automatically. In this width only it will align. Now if you observe, guys, the background is applied, right? The background image is applied, right? See here, I'm giving that image. That background image is applied here. Is it clear, ma? Now is it properly applied? No, right, it is not properly applied. To do that one, we can use the property called background size. Background size. Background size here I need to use the cover. Background size I'm trying to use the cover. Now you can check. It came right. Yes or no? Everything it should be came here only. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Now background position is this. So background size is like this, ma. Background size is like this we need to use. Now after that, here we have a background size contain is there. Background size contain is there. If you observe here, if you can check what I told, if it is a landscape image, what it will do, it will start growing for the diagonal, it will start growing the diagonally. It means it will start growing like this. Yes or no? Here what is happening? The width is more, right, for the landscape image. It is touching the width first. The remaining space is there, right? It is repeating, right? Yes or no? It is repeating only. To avoid this repetition, we need to use the property called background repeat, no repeat. Now you can check. Is it clear, all of you? If I will take the vertical one, now which one will take vertical one means this one is a vertical one. So right click, copy image address. So I'm changing the background image. Changing the background image. Now you can check what is happening here. See, first what it is doing, it is touching the height. Remaining space it is carrying. If I will remove the no repeat, now you can check again that image will be repeated again. Yes or no? Sir, if I want to make the background flexible, that should adjust it according to the screen size and how to do, sir. For that case, you need to use the media queries, ma. Or else direct media queries you need to use. Height and width you need to adjust for the each and every element there. That is advanced concept. We will do that one. Now here, what I'm doing here, so I'm using the no repeat. When I'm using the no repeat, is it repeating? No, right? So that's why we are using the cover. That's why we are using the cover. Now it will try to cover the entire thing. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? All of you, this is the background image. This is the background image. It will try to cover that. Now, next one, if I see here, background position. To understand that one, I will not apply any background content or cover. Now you can check. It is a one part only, right? One corner this was. Yes or no? This is only the one corner. So, background position, I am using the X. X means left and right only, right? I will apply the left. So you can see this is changing here. If I will apply the right, see, right side it came. Now if I will apply the center, it should be at the center of that particular image on the horizontal. So if I will apply the Y, center of the Y, center of the Y. Now if I will apply the top of the Y, I am writing the bottom completely black. Is it clear how image is moving internally? Inside that we can want to move the images also. Inside if I want to move the images also. Now background position is a shorthand property, right? So I'm applying the background position center. Both will at the center now. Both will at the center. If I write the center top, vertically it is top, horizontal it should be in the center. If I'll apply the center left, is it clear, ma? Horizontal it is center and yeah, center left I'm applying now. Is it clear, ma? All of you? Like this, we can adjust the background property, background position we can adjust. Now, if I'm not using the width here, now you can check what will happen. If I'm not using the width, it will occupy entire width only, right? Now, when I will use the cover, if I use the cover, it will try to adjust everything, right? So now here again, we can play with it. Background positions, background position, center, center it came, left, top, left top only it was. Next, right, top, right side top, center. Is it clear, ma? How we are playing with the image? Clear, all of you? Now, next one, if I want to attach this one here only. So, what I am doing? Below, I am writing the one paragraph. Lorem hashtag 15. I have some scrolling content is there. Okay. Now, I have some scrolling content. I don't want to. Now, you can see when I'm moving, the image is also moving, right? If you observe carefully, the image is also moving. Now, I don't want to move the image. Now, I don't want to move the image. So, what I am doing here inside the CSS background attachment. So background attachment, scroll I am using. Nothing, my given just one paragraph I added here. Inside the structure, I added the one paragraph. That's it. It should be in the scrolling content in the UI. That's it. Or I can scroll the content. That's it. I'm telling. Guys, scrolling content means below the section, I added the one paragraph. Inside that, I added some content. That's it. Clear? Is it clear? Ah? Yeah, guys. Now you can see here for the background attachment, I'm giving the value as a scroll. Any change is there? Ah? No change. But when I will apply the fixed, when I apply the fixed, now you can check what will happening here. Now also is there any change? Now here what is happening? Image is moving, content is moving. This is nothing but a background attachment fixed. This is nothing but a background attachment fixed. These all are the background properties. Is it clear, ma? If I will give the height as a 100 VH here, so it will apply for the full screen. Okay, even though the image will not move, it should be fixed there only. Only above the content will be start moving. Is it clear, all of you? These all are the background properties we have. These all are the background properties. Not yet completed, ma. Some more backgrounds are there. Till now, you will try. I will teach those things also. These 6 properties you will try, or else I will go forward. Guys, what do you want to try? You want to try, or else I will go forward. Start doing then. Here, our offline people wants to try, ma. I can't do anything. You will also try that one. Who knows everything? Just make it as a backup. That's it. Saptiyana means saptiyana. Sapta. Sapta. Jagan. Saptiya. Sir, Saptiya. Okay. Sir, what is the difference between using the image tag and the background image? See here, Gopesh, on the image tag, you can display the content. Is it possible? But when I'm using the background image, I can display the content on the screen, on the image. Nalla irka sir, nalla irkama. Rombo rombo santosham irka. Sir, text rendering. What do you mean that? Nandri, Nandri. This is also attributes that show on VS Code editor. Durga, what you are telling? Jurur aayega. That is also attributes that show on the VS Code editor. Which one, Sudhir, we are asking is the editor? Hmm? ఏం లేదు ఇందులో పారాగ్రాఫ్ సెక్షన్ తప్ప. ఓకే సారీ శ్రీధర్. ఓకే శ్రీధర్. ఓకే నమస్తే నమస్తే. టెక్స్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీయా? Sridhar, which one you are asking? Yeah, this one also will get the suggestions, na? Everything, background color, background image. How text property you are getting, same like that only. This is use case of text rendering and text box. Sridhar, text rendering means I'm not getting what you want to do there. Text box. Here I'm teaching about you to the background image. I'm teaching you the backgrounds. It means what is the last one means the background is fixed here, ma. That's it. It means the background is fixed here only. For example, on the roads when you are going, some paintings are there on the roads, right? Even the car is moving, that painting is moving. That is stick there only, right? That one only, this one also. Even though my content is scrolling, even though my content is moving, the background image is not moving. That one only I am telling. Image is fixed, content we are scrolling. Yes, ma. Now you can check when I'm scrolling the content, if you observe, image is fixed at that point only. Background image, that one. Content means, sir, first it occupies a given width, next any space is there means, so space again continue the image, sir, again. Yes, ma, that's it. Content means if it is a horizontal means first it will occupy the width. It will not occupy the height completely. If it is a portrait image means it will occupy the height first, then it will go for the landscape. If the space is remaining, the image will be repeated again. CSS file, okay. Yeah, Sushil, CSS. Purpose of link tag to connect HTML to CSS file with each other, sir. Okay, Darshan. Uh, you want to go for a marriage to eat food. Without link, you will go there. Huh? Somebody they need to call you, right? Same like that. Here, what I am doing here, index.html, I have a section and the paragraph. I am targeting here section and the paragraph. I am targeting a section that properties should apply means we need to connect, right? Index.html is a different file. Index.css is a different file. You are not attending the first class of CSS, Adarshan. External CSS, forgot. Yeah, guys, completed, huh? Guys, completed all of you? Shall we move now? Yeah. Now, next thing means till now here we are applying single color or image. If I want to apply the multicolor for the background, if I want to apply the multi colors for the background, we are using the gradients. We are using the gradients. What we are using if we want to apply the multicolors to the backgrounds, we are using gradients. It is used to apply the it is used to apply the multi color background for the elements. Now in the totally we have a three types. In the totally we have a three types. First one linear gradient. Linear gradients. Now linear gradient means linearly it will apply line by line ma. So what is the syntax of that one means? So background image colon I need to write the linear gradient. After that here I need to write the direction. Direction is the optional one ma. Comma color 1 comma color 2 comma color 3 and dot 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 color n. Like this we need to apply ma. First we will see this one, then we will go for the next gradient. What is the next gradient? Now you can check. For this only I want to apply. I will commenting all of these things. I don't want what I want the height. Yeah, height I want. So here first I will apply the background color, whether it is working or not. We will check. Background color red I am giving. Yeah, it is working properly only. So this paragraph also needed. No need right for us. No need for me. Yep. Okay. Now it is nothing but a background color single color we are applying. Now I want to apply the multicolor. So simply what I am doing here, background image linear gradient of. Yeah guys, tell me any two colors first. We will try to two colors, then we will go for the one by one. Any two colors రే. It should be good looking. చెప్పేది గట్టిగా చెప్పు. గ్రీన్ ఎల్లో. గ్రీన్ కమా ఎల్లో. Green comma yellow. Now you can check the background should be, now you can check multicolor ma. First green it is applied, after that yellow it is applied. Red white red green yellow red purple and light green codes. Just write Shashil. Oh okay, you will write in your system right. Orange and yellow we will try. Orange and yellow also it will look good, I know that. Orange comma yellow. This is the one thing. Yellow red. Okay, everything is yellow only notepad after some time re. Yellow red. Okay, sunset mode it, black red. Okay, black red. Horror side. White blue red green. Okay, somebody asked nare green red right. Green red no. Okay, red and green anything fine right. White blue. White comma blue. Navy also good with this. Water shade it was. Pink, white, grey, blue. Oh, this one something baby pink, right? Shade. Red tomato. Na. Tomato is red only, re. Okay, pale color. Grey, blue. Somebody wrote that. Will try. Grey, comma blue. Okay, it is also good one. Cayenne and orange. Okay, orange. Fine. Hot pink, white. Guys, it will not give you suggestions for the colors. You need to know the spellings. Hey, I know the Instagram one, right? I will show you. Instagram color. Background. This one only. Maroon, navy. If I will apply like this means it will going. Maroon, comma, navy. So horror. No, re. Gray, white. Okay, guys. Now you will tell me the random colors. I will type. Let's see how it is looking in the UI. Linear gradient. Codes you given. Okay, I will try these codes. Sir, purple and light green. Fine, Ray. Yeah, guys. Tell me the random colors. We'll do some linear. Tell me the color start. Ah, I need to type that much faster. I am not that much typer faster. So brown, yellow, yellow. Next, red. Aqua. Black, blue, green, pink. Next, violet, orange, lavender, ash. Ash is not there. That one we will do. Don't worry. Magenta. Okay. Guys, after output, I am not is responsible for that. You are telling I am typing. That's it. Grade and how many time? Powder blue. Enough for this many colors? Seven color ఉన్నాయి. White is missing in between. We will throw white also. Enough, Ray. I don't know how it is looking in the UI. Rainbow, this one, Okay, guys. Now it is a normally we designed. Why I designed this means now I want to change the directions here. With two colors, you can't see that much of direction how it is going. If you have a multi-colors means you will get to know how it is starting, how it is ending. Easily you can get to know. So here, what is this directions means? First, I will apply the left. So we will remove some colors. It should be go for a single line. Yeah. Okay. Linear gradient, I am writing here as a left, comma. Means direction which I am writing, right? Okay. Two left I need to write. Two left. Now you can check what is happening. What is the first color I am writing? Brown. Last color, what is the last color? Purple. It means from the right side, it is starting going towards the left. Okay. If I write here to right, what will happen? From the left side, it will start ending at the towards the right. If I will write here top, right here top. Now what will happen? Starting from the bottom towards the top. Okay. Next one bottom. Next one bottom. This is the default one only. Okay. Till now clear. Next, what I will write here towards top right. Towards top right means that corner from where it will start. Bottom left. Okay, ma? Bottom left. If I write here as a top left, bottom right it will start. Bottom right it will start. If I want to bottom left means bottom left. Top right it will start. Bottom left means this side, top right. Yeah, like this it will be going. Is it clear if I want to bottom right means top left it will start. This is the direction of the colors. This is the direction of the colors. Is it clear, all of you, how it is all working? This is nothing but a linear gradients. These all are nothing but a linear gradients. Now, next one. Coda. Till now, that one only displayed, Nare. Here I changing the values, ma. Okay. Nice one. Notepad only, ma. See ya. Now, next one is the radial gradient. Next one is the radial gradient. Radial means circles. Circles and the eclipse. Same thing here also. Same background image. Same background image this time. Radial gradient of. Here I need to write the shape. Shape means we have only two shapes, ma. Circle and the eclipse. Circle and the eclipse, comma. Color 1, comma. Color 2, comma. Color 3, dot, dot, dot. Color n. That's it. Now this is the syntax for the. This is the syntax for the linear gradient. Shall we see that one now? How it is working? Now we can check. Before that, I need to comment all of these things. So simply, I will write as a, for this also background image, this time I will write the radial gradient of, I will write as a red comma white. Red comma white. It means two colors only I'm using first, red and white. If you observe, radial. If you can observe, this is in the eclipse shape. If you want to see properly that one, after that I will write the navy. Now you can check. It is in the eclipse shape. If I want to change the shape means, simply I will write here as a circle. Simply I will write as a circle. Now you can check. It will be converted into the circle. Eclipse and the circle. I have a default one is the eclipse. It should be make it as a circle. This is nothing but a radial gradient. Here also, if I want multicolors, I can give ma navy, comma, pink, comma, orange, comma, green, comma, lavender, a leaf. Now I can check multicolor here also possible. Is it clear, ma? This one. Now next one. We have one more is there. That is nothing but a conic gradient. Square is not there, Neha. Only eclipse and circle. That's it. Now we have a conic. Next one is the conic gradient. Now the for that also same thing. Same thing I need to apply. But this time here there is no shape, ma. Conic gradient. There is no shape. Conic gradient means, have you observed the ice cream cone? It is in the cone shape only, right? When you do it in the reverse, what will happen when you see the top angle? It is looking like a circle and between one node is there, right? Same like that only it will also behave. From knob it will go like this, and clockwise direction the colors will be applied. And the clockwise direction the colors will be applied. Now we will apply that one here. Background image conic gradient. Conic gradient will not give you suggestion, ma. You need to type that one. Conic gradient of. I am giving the, yeah, this time tell me the rainbow colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. That's it. These all are the 7 colors we have for the rainbow. Now you can check. The output is like this. If you can observe from the center knob, it is going top and it is applying for the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Because the property is there, ma, but they are not including that property here. That's it. Property is working, na. If it is there means not there means what is the issue? Is it clear, ma? Now, how much width it is taking, we don't know, right? I want to tell exactly this much only. Now, can I call entire circle is a 360 degrees? Yes or no? 360 divided by 7 colors. From 0 to how much each color will take? One color is not possible. Everything you need to tell. Open the calculators and tell me. Something around 50, something like that it will take. 52 degrees. Yes. Now, what I will do, observe carefully. So, violet is there, right? 0 degree, comma, violet 52 degree, comma. It means 0 to 52 degrees it will take the violet. After that for indigo, 53 degree, again indigo, comma, 104 degree. Now you can check what is happening here. If you observe carefully, it is giving one line, right? Proper line. Now we can get to know how much it, we are only deciding this much only you should take. This much only you should take. After that, what I am writing now, everything calculate ma. Blue I am taking it as a 105 degree to blue color. How much I need to give? 105, 160. Calculate, 105 plus 52, 52, 67, 157. Okay, 157 degrees. Comma, green should be 158 degree to 210. Okay, green 210 degree. Comma, for yellow 211 to 263 degree. Red 264. You are calculating right only, huh? I don't think so. You are calculating right, Ray. That one only. Somewhere you missed, Ray. Check once. Okay. Yellow 263 degree, comma. Orange 264 degree to how much, Ray? 318 degree. 319 to 360. Is it clear, ma? Equally dividing we will do means it should be looking like this. In circus, tent is there, right? That one only, this one. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? Till now, we will try a start doing. 8 minutes are there. Start. After that, you will leave. Okay, ma? Content in background property. Nothing will happen. Close that one. Content in background. Ma, here you can check. I'm not writing any content extra. Everything I'm targeting for the section tag. Inside the section, I'm writing the content. That's it. Comment things, control slash, ma. Guys, here can we apply multicolor for the text? Sir, I want to center a text message on the image. Yeah, text align center you can use. Yesterday only we discussed it, right? Guys, you can check here how to. Now you can check this is a color, right? Text color only. Now this one, for this one, we will apply the multicolor. For suppose, yeah, how to do that one means, guys, listen, background, linear gradient, to left, I am giving the values as what is the first one right here? Violet. Guys, again tell me the violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. Till now you know, right? Now one more new property I will introduce for you. What is that one? Is hyphen hyphen webkit hyphen webkit. Just a second. Background clip is there, abba. Yeah, this one. This one. WebKit background clip ma. Hyphen WebKit hyphen background clip. This one here you need to write the text. This one you need to write the text. Color transparent you need to write. Color transparent you need to write. We'll check whether it is applied or not. Okay, ma. If you use these three properties for text also, we can apply like this. Is it clear, ma? WebKit properties are the advanced properties. Those things you will use in the real time. WebKit background, WebKit scrolls, everything is there. Those things we will discuss in when you're going to the real world. Advanced one you will go really slowly. Then you will use these things. But when I will use this one, by using this thing, we can apply the colors like this. Is it clear, ma? Yeah, try this one. Sir, I want to change center the text image. Okay. Bhavan, is it completed? Yeah, ma, this is your CSS. Yeah, guys, any doubt in the today's session? No doubt means tata, bye bye. You can leave ma. Happy weekend. Monday.